Here we are at Leven station at the end of the Levenmouth Rail Link, which we're building, and it's been absolutely brilliant to welcome the Transport Minister Fiona Hyslop here today to install the final track clip. This is starting to look like a railway now, and we've pretty much finished the track system, the rail, the sleeper and the ballast is down. The Minister put the final golden pandrol clip into place. You can see Leven station behind me taking shape. And then of course behind we've got the railway right up to Thornton Junction, where we're going to connect into with the existing network, and then of course next year we'll be operating passenger trains to the capital.
Network Rail have been so important in the building of this railway, but they've worked in partnership with Transport Scotland and also with Fife Council to make sure that the communities all along this railway line can benefit both in social and economic terms, and the connection for active travel is going to be really important as well. And it's obviously been future-proof for making sure it's fit for electrification and decarbonising as well, and that's an important message. I'd like to recognise all those that were involved in campaigning to get the railway line, but also this day marking it in terms of the final build on the actual railway line itself. We're seeing the stations being progressed at Leven and Cameron Bridge. That is £160 million worth of investment from the Scottish Government, and it matters. Railway matters, Fife matters, Levenmouth Railway Line certainly matters to all the communities along this line.
I'd like to say a massive thank you to everyone who's worked on this project so far, and indeed the people who are going to work on this project in the future, because of course construction largely completes by December, and then in the new year we go into testing and training the staff so that from spring next year we can operate passenger services from here to the capital, and we're able to welcome people onto a new bit of Scotland's railway.